Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to see the free online certification courses from the ISRO. So really it will be a very good opportunity to the particular candidates guys. Okay, so please utilize this opportunity and please share this video to your friends or colleagues. Okay, and to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is official website of the Indian Institute of Remote Sensing from ISRO, okay, Indian Space Research Organization. So actually here one free online certificate course is available guys. Okay, so what is the advantage of taking this course and what is the advantage of getting the certificate means, so sometimes these certificates are helpful to get the JRF in the ISRO itself, and sometimes this JRF certificate will be helpful to get the PhD admission in the top research institutes or else in the top academic institutions. So these are all the different advantages are there from getting the by getting the certificate from the ISRO. Okay, so here I am going to show you guys. It is the official website of the ISRO, and in this website, okay, just go to the here distance learning is there. Okay, so just go to that distance learning, and then here you may check down the 77th Geospatial Technology for Archaeological Studies, May 17 to 28, 2021. So click on the course brochure, then you will be directed to this brochure guys. Okay, and you may check down here the IIRS outreach program, which was started in 2007 with 12 universities institutions, has now grown substantially to 2,700 plus network institutions. Right? So here a few central, state and private universities and academic institutions and government departments and forest resource professionals and state forest departments, research institutes and geospatial industries, as well as the NGOs. Fine. So here it is conducting the e-learning program on remote sensing and geoinformation science. So it is the link guys, and coming to the contact details are also mentioned here. So Dr. Poonam S. Tiwari, and here the telephone number is also given. And next, course coordinator Hina Pandey, the telephone number is given here. Okay, so these are the details. And while coming to about the course, the natural disasters are becoming more frequent and intense across the globe. So geoinformatics, which includes a remote sensing, geographic information system and a global positioning system and internet mapping services, provide the most powerful technology. And coming to the curriculum, whatever the things you are going to get from this course is that geospatial technology, space-based remote sensing, ground-based geospatial techniques, documentation of cultural heritage, low-altitude systems for archaeological investigations, microwave remote sensing for archaeological studies, demonstration on terrestrial laser scanner, space-based studies for landscape archaeology, and advanced image processing-based damage assessment of cultural heritage monuments. And what are the different outcomes you can expect from this one is, at the end of this course, the participants are expected to have a comprehensive understanding of current trends in geospatial techniques. Okay, and so the course is designed for the professionals from central government, state government, private organizations, NGO, engaged in the hydrometeorological based regional and national projects, students and researchers aligned to research or working in DRR activities. And the course study material like lectures, slides, video recorded lectures, open source software and handouts of demonstration etc. will be made available through eClass guys, and video lectures also will be available in this website. Right? And there is no course fee for this one. Okay, there is no course fee for attending this program. And coming to the course registration, so if you want to register for this one, here the link is there. Anyhow, I will provide this website link, okay, this website link in the description box of this video guys. So you will come to know all these links, okay, registration link and all these things. So all the participants have to register online through registration page by selecting the organization as a nodal center. And course funding and program reception, okay, and few important links are also given here. So you may check down guys. Okay, all the participants to register online through the registration page. Okay, and award of participation certificate will be there. So working professionals and students participation certificate based on 70% of attendance you will get. Fine. So these are all the details completed regarding this program, guys. Okay, IARS outreach program. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues, and to get the more notifications like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide